Hi, I'm Aparna. Today my writings has been published in two daily newspaper in Tripura, Shandon and Tripura Times. So actually I like to explain some of the legal issues relating to the check bouncing cases. Actually, yes, where the check is bounced in the bank due to various reasons, then what step we should follow, we should know this. Okay, so I like to say explain some of the legal points relating to this matter. Actually, check bouncing is going to be burning issues in today's society. Actually, yes. Actually, I like to say that there are two groups of people in society today. One group of people are so deeply engrossed in lies, arrogance, pride, groupism, conflict, and manipulations that they view everyone else as fool. And you know what? They always look down on honest people that they are nothing. They always treat that other people's they are not a human beings. Okay, they treat as like animals also. So yes, it is one group of people, and there is another group of people that say they still believe in honesty and integrity. And these are the people who never learn to cheat with others, but they are often cheated by the dishonest people. So actually, these types of people believes that simplicity is the next to God, but sometimes they are ridiculed in society for their concepts, for these types of concepts. So you say that these dishonest pupils are full, native and incapable, and they have lacking intelligence. It is not. Actually, you know what? These types of pupil never manage to become smart in the way society defines it today. This is that. So I never like to go to this conflict. There's dishonest people and honest people. Actually, I like to say that some of the legal issues, that is jack bouncing cases, as happening in society today, and it is a burning issues in today's society. So I like to say that yes, when you lend a large amount of money to your friend or someone else or your relatives one, out of trust, when they fall in distress, when they are requesting you, so in this situation you both should enter into an agreement, and there should require some terms and conditions. Okay, and you should follow the terms and condition. This terms condition may be that after 2 or 3 years that you will return back your money. Okay, so sometimes it's happened, and in this way they and the present persons may issue check. Okay, so in you know what, when you need money and you want to get back your money, you and you requesting your close ones that please return to get back and to return my money. In this situation, they deny to return back your money. Actually, they have the dishonest intentions. Okay, and you know what, when you issue the check into the bank, after you can see that the check is bounced. Why the check is bounced? There is some of the reasons are there. One reason is that there's insufficient fund in the bank, and there is check is mismatch, and check should be expired within 3 months. Okay, after 3 months the check should be expired. And signature mismatch, yes, and some of the causes are there's overwriting and corrections on the check. Yes, sometimes the opposite party intentionally stop the payment. So there are some reasons due to this check is bounce. Okay, so we should know yes, there we should know there's three persons in check bounces cases. One is pay, drawer, and pay. So who is the pay? Pay is that you lend money to your close ones. Yes, then you should be treated as pay. And to whom you have lent your money, this person is the drawer here, and bank is the drawer. Okay, so these three types of persons in the check bounces cases. Yes, so you should know After that, when your check is dishonored in this bank, the bank should provide you the receipt memo. So after receipt the receipt memo, then you should send the legal notice to your opposite to the opposite persons or your close one, yes, within 30 days. After 30 days, the opposite person, that's the drawer, has 15 days times to return back your money. If he denies to return back your money, there is no options left except filing and the suit before the judicial magistrate under Section Negotiable Instrument Act under 1881 under Section 138. So it is very much required to know. So you should know the time period. First is the 30 days. Within 30 days, you should send the legal notice to the opposite parties, and 15 days he has the time here, that the opposite party should return back your money. If he denies to return back your money after 30 days, after the next 30 days, you should file the complaint petitions before the fiscal judicial magistrate under under section 138 of the NI Act. Yes, so there's time periods you should remember: 30, 15, and 30. Okay, so it is very much required. So I like to say that, yes, if the if found guilty under section 138, so do you ever imagine what would be the punishment? Yes, the court may award to the accused persons up to 2 years imprisonment or a fine up to double the check amount, or both imprisonment and fine. So, Negotiable Instrument Act. So the check bouncing case under this NI Act is a quasi criminal case. Okay, so you can also file a civil suit if you want to return back your money. If you delay the time period, that's you don't maintain the time period 30, 15, or 30. So in the situations, you may file a civil suit before the civil court. Okay, so but there should be also time, you should maintain also time, that's within 3 years from the issue of the check, you should file the civil suit before the civil court. Okay. Yes, in this Anglo society, it is required to share this legal information because many lives are being ruined by such manipulative frauds. Check bounce cases are becoming increasingly common in today's society. But you can protect yourself by understanding and using the law effectively. So please go through my writings, and thanking you very much.